In this video, we will learn how to analyze and design a seismic resistant building. Open the building which we have saved. Click on OK. For seismic resistant building, first of all, we have to define seismic load. Go to define menu, click on load pattern and give a name seismic, type seismic, select IS 1893-2002, go to add new load. As here you can see seismic load definition has been added. Go to modify lateral load, select only X and Y direction because we are assuming that the direction for seismic is X and Y direction. Seismic coefficients, seismic zone factor as per the IS code, refer page number 5 of IS 1893-2002. In the map, we can see that for Bangalore there is this is the blue zone, which is zone 2. Now for seismic zone factor, refer table number 2 of IS 1893-2002. This is table number 2. For seismic zone 2, seismic zone factor is 0.1. Now select 0.1. Site type is 2, as we have already seen that in this figure 2. For soil type, refer figure 2. In our case of building design, we have assumed that our soil is medium type. Therefore, for medium soil type 2, select type 2. Importance factor, refer table number 6 of IS 1893-2002. This is table number 6, importance factor I. For school, hospitals, these types of buildings, importance factor is 1.1. For residential buildings is 1. Therefore, select 1 as importance factor. Now time period will be calculated by software itself. Click on program calculated. Now response reduction factor, refer IS 1893-2002 table number 7. As here you can see in the table number 7, we have considered ordinary reinforced concrete moment resisting frame. Therefore, response reduction factor in our case is 3. Type as here 3. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Go to define menu, go to load combination. Now here you can see load combinations have been defined by the software itself, or you can go add default design combos, select concrete frame design, click on OK. Again click on OK. There is no need to assign the seismic load on the building because seismic loads get assigned itself by default. Now we will analyze our building. Go to analyze, go to set load cases. There is no need to analyze for wind load, therefore select wind load and click to do not run case. Click on run now. It will take some time. Here you can see in the left bottom corner, analyzing is in processing mode. Analyzing is completed. As you can see there, displacement for a beam is shown here. Right click on any beam, you can see the translation, rotation and drift for any point. Now go to design, select concrete frame design, click on view revise preferences, confirm design code should be IS 456 2000, click on OK. Again go to design menu, go to concrete frame design, click on start design, check. Design has been completed. Here you can see the reinforcement. Now go to design menu again and select concrete frame design. Go to all members, verified all members passed. Here all concrete frame passed the design check. Click on OK. Now our design and analyze for seismic load has been completed. We can see the report here. Double click on project to see the report and summary. Click on summary report. Here you can see the project report. In the project report you can see all the information regarding the building, dimensions, results, moments, etc. Story forces, all the informations. This software is for evaluation purpose. We cannot print the report in this version. Now we will analyze and design this building using the response spectrum method and time history analyze method. Therefore go to define menu and go to load pattern. Here you can see seismic load has been already defined. Go to modify lateral load. First of all, before making any changes in the building, we have to unlock our design. Click on OK. Now we will analyze our building using response spectrum method. Go to define menu and go to load pattern. Click on modify lateral load. Now for response spectrum method, all the parameters are same as we have already did for seismic design. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now go to define menu and go to functions. Select response spectrum. Choose functions type to add and select IS 1893-2002. Add new function. Give a proper name. Seismic zone factor, refer IS 1893-2002 and page number 5. Now here you can see for Bangalore, below region is region zone, will lie in zone 2, therefore, and go to table number 2 for seismic zone factor. For seismic zone number 2, seismic zone factor is 0.1, therefore select 0.1. Soil type is 2. Function damping ratio for concrete design is, damping ratio for concrete is 5% as per the IS 1893-2002 clause 7.8.2.1. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Go to define menu, go to load case, click on add new case, give a name response spectrum, load case type response spectrum, click on add. Now function type is response spectrum. Now scale factor, scale factor is given by I into G upon 2R, where I is the importance factor, R is the response reduction factor, G is the acceleration due to gravity. Scale factor as per our parameters 1633.5. 1633.5. Add another low type acceleration because response spectrum will be in X and Y direction. Select response spectrum. It will be same again 1633.5. All other things will remain same. Click on OK. Again click on OK. There is no need to assign the seismic load, we have already told, because it will be assigned by the software by default. Now we will analyze our building. Go to set loss cases to run. Select dead live load as do not run. Click on run now. Here our model has been analyzed. We can design similarly as we have designed for the seismic load only. Now we will analyze our building using time history analysis method. Therefore, unlock the model first and go to define menu. Go to load pattern. Here you can see seismic load is added. Go to modified lateral load. Select only x direction. We are considering seismic load using time history analysis method is acting only in one direction. All the parameters we have already defined. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Go to define menu to define the time history analyze method. Select function and then time history. Choose function type to add from file. We have already download the file. Click on add new function. Give a proper name. Function file. Click on browser. Format type should be fixed. Header lines to skip are 9 because our data after 9 lines will be showing. Therefore click on 9. Number of points per line are 1. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now go to define menu. Click on load cases. Delete response spectrum. And click on add new case. Time history. Load case type time history. Click on add new. Load pattern as acceleration. Load type as time. First we select load case type as time history. Now load type as acceleration, function as example time history data, scale factor. Scale factor in our case is 1633.5. 1633.5. Rest of the parameters will remain same. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now we will analyze our model. Go to analyze and click on set load cases to run. Dead load, live load, select as do not run case. Click on run now. Here you can see analyze has been completed. Now we will design our model. Go to design menu and select concrete frame design. Go to view revise preferences to select the IS456 2000 code for concrete. Click on OK. Again go to design menu. Go to concrete frame design. Select start design, check. Here you can see analyze and design sections differ for 24 concrete frames. Therefore click on yes to revise the columns, column dimensions and beam dimensions. Click on yes. Software itself. because we have used auto select column beam option. Therefore software will uh, im- itself use different dimension column and beams and the analyze and design will occur by default by the software. Here you can see after analyzing, designing starts itself. It will take some time, depends on your software version, laptop. Our model has been defined. We can see the reinforcement in beams and columns, etc. Go to display menu and go to force stress diagram, go to frame piers, etc. We can see the shear force about 2 axis. Click on shear to click on apply and OK. Restore full view to see the full building. Go to display menu, again go to force stress diagram, shell stress forces, click on apply and then click on OK. This is the shell loads distribution. Stresses are shown here. We can also see the moment. Moment diagram is shown here as in the figure. Now we can also obtain the information such as load patterns, reinforcement details and all other dimensions, etc. Go to report, double click on project report. We will get report regarding our building design and analysis. We can see dimensions for beam and columns, load patterns, reinforcement details, all other things in the project report. Since we are using the evaluation version, we cannot print this project report. Our building seismic resistant building design and analyze has been successfully occurred. Thanks for watching.